Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English with Kay. Today, we will learn English with a song. Listen carefully and fill in the blanks. Comment your answers below. Let's start.
Wake up in the morning, start a brand new day. Learn some English words, practice what you say. Listen and repeat, don't be shy to try. Speak a little English, you will fly so high. Learn English every day. Speak English on the way. Don't be afraid to speak. Practice makes you strong, not weak. Read a little story, listen to a song. If you make a mistake, it is not wrong. Talk with your friends, speak what you know. Step by step, your English will grow. Learn English every day. Speak English on the way. Don't be afraid to speak. Practice makes you strong, not weak. Not weak. Word by word and day by day, English is easy if you don't give away. Try again and you will see. English is fun for you and me. Learn English every day. Speak English on the way. Keep learning, keep trying. Your English will keep flying. Learn English every day. Every day. Speak English on the way. All along the line. Be afraid to speak. Oh, practice makes you strong. Makes you strong. It makes you strong, not weak.
Thank you for watching. Comment your answers in the comments. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Easy English with Kay. See you in the next video.